In this video, I'll show you guys how to remove a Land Rover Discovery 2 headliner. The first thing you're going to want to do is fold the second row seats down flat, just like that. To remove the overhead console, you're going to have to pop off this panel to access the screw. Sometimes it's just a plain panel, or it could be a garage opener. But after you have that removed, you're going to go ahead and remove this screw and then all of the screws that run along this overhead console. Alright, once you have all the screws removed, you can use these visors to help hold it up. What we're going to do now is you're going to go up top and release all the clips for these switches and the light. Alright, the overhead console is removed. Now we're going to work on getting these visor out. You're going to have 3 screws here. Once you take them out, there's going to be a wire that feeds the lights here for the visor that runs through this tube and out into the back. You're going to pull the wires down very carefully and then you'll see the plug. All right, both visors are removed. Now we are going to leave this seal on because this is actually what's holding up the headliner. That'll be the last thing removed. And it'll take a 7mm socket to remove these handles. All right, now to remove this A-pillar, pull it outwards. What I recommend doing is getting a flat screwdriver, going in between the plastic and the seal here, up to the clip, and then pushing because this plastic is very fragile. And don't forget to remove the seal so you can access those clips better. All right, you can see I've already popped this one open, but you can see right here is where one of the clips are at. So I just get a flat screwdriver or this little plastic pry tool. I go straight into where the clip is at, and then I push open. That prevents it from breaking. All right, now that we've got this popped off, we're gonna slide this up and towards us, and then we're gonna disconnect the speaker right here. All right, now for the other pillars, you're gonna peel back this seal and you're gonna see these metal clips that run down. You can see one here, and then we have one here and one here on this side. We're gonna unclip those, and then we're gonna unclip the clip that's right behind here, and then that pillar should come off. And then you just put this off to the side. All right, now moving to the back, we're going to be removing the overhead light. It'll be 2 8mm nuts. Once you have those nuts removed, we'll go ahead and slide the light off the studs and then disconnect the wire on the back, just like that. All right, and now to remove this overhead plastic, we're going to take the seal off. And then we're going to go in with the plastic pry tool, go directly at the clips, and remove the panel. There's a total of 4 clips for this plastic panel here. Now that we have that overhead panel removed, we're going to remove these pillars, and you're just going to go around removing all of these little pins. They're going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then one on the other side, 5, 6, and then 2 up above. Now once you have all those pins removed, you're going to go over here to the back side of these seat belts. You can use a plastic pry tool, or you can sometimes just get it off with your hands. We're just going to carefully pop it off. Just like that. You can see how it connects. On the back of the panel, you're going to have one small pin that's right here on the second row. All you got to do is just pull it straight back. Now, you should be able to remove this panel. So sometimes you'll have little clips in the headliner right in the back. You'll have to remove those. All right, and to remove this overhead panel that goes for the second row, I already have it removed so I can show you guys a little bit better. What you're gonna do is drop the headliner, just the rear, so you're gonna remove the rear seal. You're gonna drop the headliner just a little bit, and then go on the top side of the headliner, push this down. You'll see, just like that. Then you'll be able to unclip the back of the switch. You can go ahead and unclip the light, and then looking from the underside, there'll be one screw that holds this panel on. All right, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna slide the seats all the way forward and then tilt the back all the way down so we have enough room to pull this headliner out. Lastly, you're going to remove the seals around the sunroof. And then once you have those removed, you're going to drop down one side of the headliner and carefully slide it out through the rear door. That is how you remove the headliner on a Discovery 2. If you guys would like a more in-depth video on how to remove it, repair it, and then reinstall it, let me know in the comments. And thanks for watching.